close the cabinet? Can you put stuff into the drawer? Could you put the dishes into the sink, please? Could you wipe this bill for me, please? Oh, actually there's also a plate. Can you put it into the sink?